Hello there, my name is Etho, and welcome to another Blockbuster video. Today's little guide will be about 4 different commands that can come in handy if you work with models. /model convert, /model export _ obj, /model clear, and /model reload. We'll be covering what each command does and how it can help you with your projects. So with all that out of the way, let us begin. Working with skins can sometimes be tricky because of their format. You got your 64x32 skins and you got your 64x64. But what if I told you there was a way to convert your skins in-game? /model convert lets you turn your skins into a different format in case you want it on a different model. In order to run the command, you need to know the exact path to your skin. Keep in mind, you need to place 64x32 skins in the Steve's skin folder and 64x64 in the Fred's skin folder. After that, make sure you remember where you placed it and if it's in the subfolder. Back in-game, we're going to change our old Steve skin into a Fred skin. Type out the following: /model, convert, Steve, and the name of your skin. Plus, you can use tab to autofill the command. Once you've run it, you should find a converted version in the Fred skins folder. Whenever running this command, note that 64x32 skins will automatically convert to 64x64 and vice versa. The next command is /model export _ obj. It lets you export any Blockbuster JSON models into an OBJ format. Plus, there's a parameter where you can set a pose with it. Simply type /model export _ obj, the model, and optionally the pose. All exported OBJ files will be located in the export folder in Blockbuster. If you try importing it into Blender, you'll see it exactly as it was in-game. /model clear allows you to clear all Blockbuster loaded textures. If you ran this command without any arguments, it'll clear out all textures currently loaded by Blockbuster from Minecraft's texture manager. But what it's best suited for is when you want to edit skins while in-game. Let's say you had to adjust a skin because there was a misplaced pixel. You went into your trusty editing software like Photoshop and fixed it. You replaced your old skin with the new and you're good to go, but oh wait, you gotta restart the whole game again just to see the result. Fret not, because there's a solution. Type in /model clear in chat and press enter. Now, all of the skins loaded from Blockbuster will be cleared. You can also specify a path argument that'll allow you to narrow the path of which skins should be cleared. For example, if you execute /model clear Alex, it'll clear out all the skins in Alex's folder. But if you wanted to clean all the textures in Alex's girls subfolder, execute /model clear Alex /skins /girls. The last command up on this list is /model reload. It does exactly what it says. It reloads all models within Blockbuster. It can also refresh server-side models by adding the argument true at the end. This command is an alternative way of reloading models without opening Blockbuster menus. Well, that's basically it. I hope this Blockbuster tutorial taught you something new. If you still have any questions, leave a comment down below or join McHorse's Discord, which is linked in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and goodbye.